If your Telegram desktop is not connecting on your PC when using a 5G router, but works perfectly when you switch to your phone hotspot, then you're dealing with a hidden network issue that most people don't even realize exists. And the good news is, you can fix it in less than 2 minutes. Stay with me, because this simple fix can instantly restore your connection. Now here's what's really happening. Your 5G router is using a default DNS system that sometimes blocks or slows down certain apps, especially apps like Telegram. So even though your internet looks fine, Telegram just keeps saying connecting and never opens. But when you switch to your phone hotspot, it works instantly because your phone is using a different DNS. So here's exactly how to fix it on your PC. First, go to your keyboard and press the Windows key. Then type Control Panel and open it. Once you're inside, click on Network and Internet. Then go to Network and Sharing Center. Now look to the right side and click on your Wi-Fi name, the one you're currently connected to. A small window will pop up. Click on Properties. Inside that, scroll down and find something called Internet Protocol version 4, also written as IPv4. Click on it once, then click on Properties. Now this is the important part. You'll see an option that says, Obtain DNS server address automatically. That's what's causing the problem. Change it to Use the following DNS server addresses. Now enter these numbers carefully. For the first box, type 1x1.1.1. For the second box, type 1x0.1. Once you've entered that, click OK, then close. After that, disconnect your Wi-Fi and reconnect it again. Now go back and open Telegram, and just like that, it should connect instantly. What you've done here is basically tell your PC to use a faster, more open DNS system that doesn't block Telegram. So instead of your router controlling everything, your PC now has a better route to the internet. If this worked for you, drop a comment and let me know. And if you want more quick fixes like this that actually solve real problems without wasting your time, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.